Welcome to my channel. So I want to introduce about my website. So probably I am sharing my site link in all videos descriptions. So please click on that link. You will get a lot of guidelines freely. You can read it. Each chapter wise guidelines I am posting in this website. So medical coding corner is my own website, and if you click here, so integumentary guidelines, digestive system guidelines, cardiology coding guidelines, musculoskeletal respiratory guidelines, this all. So if you click on the integumentary coding guidelines, you will get the all guidelines like ATT, excision, breast procedure related, skin graft and repair guidelines, incision drainage, biopsy guidelines, excision guidelines. So all you will get. So like that, each chapter wise you can read the guidelines. Whatever guidelines I am sharing in YouTube, that guidelines you can read theoretically in my website. Okay, this is my website. If you want, you can read from my website also. This is only free of cost. So theoretically all guidelines chapter wise I am adding in this website. Okay, so please support my channel as well as my site. Thank you for watching my videos and my site. Thank you. If anyone interested to join German language course, please comment here. And for kids also I am taking German language course. If they are started studying from 4th standard itself, they will finish at 11th standard, so they will write the exam in 11th standard. So in future your kids can study in Germany, free seat, doctor seat or engineering. So if anyone wants to study college in Germany, they have to study German language course. That we cannot we cannot study any language in short period. So if your kids wants to settled in Germany, please contact me. I will guide you each and everything. So weekly once class I am taking for German language kids, especially for kids. So if anyone interested, please contact me. And German medical coding course also I'm taking as per your based on your knowledge. I will suggest you which class, which course you will be suitable. So check my website and videos, and if you are interested, please join with me. Thank you.